Today I will teach you about the polynomials. Polynomials and equation solved by same method but and the number of polynomial types of polynomial same way by the same way as the equation, but the polynomial does not equal to 0. Means if you write the standard form of polynomials ax square plus bx plus c, this is called polynomial. And if we write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, this is called equation, one quadratic equation, and this is called polynomials. This is called quadratic equation because it have only two power, and it have quadratic polynomial, it have two powers, but according to power this is called equations. This is called equation, and this is called polynomial. The equation, we read about the equation in next chapter, but in this chapter we read about the polynomials. First type of polynomials. How many types of polynomial? The name of the polynomial according to degree and name of the polynomial according to term. Name of polynomials. Name of polynomials according to degree. डिग्री के अकॉर्डिंग पॉलिनोमियल्स के डिग्री. According to degree, the name of the polynomials. First is the power of like this ax plus b. Have one power. It have one power, and this is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. And if polynomial have power 1 is called linear polynomial. Second type polynomials ax square plus bx plus c. This is called quadratic polynomial. Polynomial. This is called quadratic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx plus c. It have three power. This is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. All the numbers with variable, that is called polynomials. All the numbers with variables, that is called polynomial. Name of polynomials. Name of polynomials. Name of polynomials according to terms. टर्म्स के अकॉर्डिंग पॉलिनोमियल्स के टाइप्स. फर्स्ट टाइप, इफ ax or ax square or ax cube, in this type polynomial is called monomial. Monomial. Second type, ax plus b or ax square plus b or ax cube plus b. This type is called binomial. And ax square plus bx plus c or ax cube plus bx square plus c. This type polynomial is called, it has three terms, therefore this is called trinomial. Trinomial. Zero is called zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. And any number like 1, comma 5, 4, comma 5, comma 6, any types, this is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. This is called constant polynomial. This is called constant polynomial. This is condition, the polynomial. The power of polynomials always, power of polynomial always positive integer. Positive integers. Power of polynomials always positive integers. Means 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. The power of polynomials like this. If any polynomials variable have like negative power or root power, that is not a polynomials. For polynomials, it is condition that is positive integers. That is positive integers. Exercise 2.1, chapter 2, polynomials of NCERT book class 9. Given which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not, state the reason for your answer. State the reason for your answer. This is equation of polynomial of one variable because it have only x as a variable. One variable, it have it has one variable as x. As x. It has one variable at x. And power of polynomial is 2. Here this is also, it have one variable. It have one variable as y. As y. Here it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because power of variable not positive integer. Power of variable is not positive integer. Is not a positive integer. This, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because 1 upon y means y to the power minus 1 and it is not positive integer. This means 1 upon y means y to the power minus 1. And minus 1, this is not power of y, is not positive integer. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Because power of variable is not a positive integer. Next, it is polynomial of three variable. It is a polynomial of three variables. Three variables x, y, and t. X, y, and t. Here, write the coefficient of x square. Write the coefficient of x square. In this coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is equal to 1. The coefficient of x square is equal to plus 1 or 1. But here coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is minus 1 minus 1 because x square multiplied by minus 1. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is equal to, if you left x square, we find here in multiplication form with x, pi by 2. Pi by 2. It have no x square term, therefore it have the coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is equal to 0. In question number 3, write the binomial of degree 35. Write the binomial. Binomial means two term. First we write two term, 5x plus 6, and degree of polynomial is equal to 35, means x to the power 35. 5x to the power 35 into 6. There are many examples like this. 4x to the power 35 plus 6 x to the power 34. Means higher power may be 35. Monomial of degree 100 means only one term, like 4x to the power 100, 8x to the power 100, and so on. There are many types of example you write like this power 100. In question number 4, write the degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the polynomials, highest power term means highest power of the variable is in a polynomial, that is called degree of polynomials. In this term it have 2 power, 3 power, 2 power, 1 power. Means degree of this polynomial is equal to 3. Here higher power of this polynomial y is equal to y square is power of y is equal to 2. This is degree 2. And here the degree of t is equal to 1. Power of 5t minus 7th power of t1, therefore degree 1. It have no variable, therefore degree is 0. In question number 5, polynomials. Name of the polynomials. According to power, write the name of the polynomial: quadratic, cubic, linear. This is have 2 power, therefore it have quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Polynomial. It have 3 power, therefore it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. It have 2 power. This is 1 power, 2 power, 0 power. Therefore, this is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. quadratic polynomials. And here it have one power, therefore linear polynomials. Linear polynomials. Linear polynomial. It is also linear polynomial because the power of variable is equal to 1. This is also linear polynomials. Linear polynomials. R to the power 2, therefore it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And last given power 3, therefore it is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. This is called cubic polynomial. The first exercise of chapter 2 means exercise 2.1 completed, and next day we teach you about the zeros of the polynomials.